Namaste. Today we are going to learn about the geometric solid with base. So here are one tray. Here is one tray, 10 geometric solid with base. So I'm going to describe about the geometric solids. Take one solid by right hand and transfer to left hand. So we fill the base 2 fingers by right hand. This is a square base. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All sides are square, so it's called a cube. Now we place it middle part of the grid mat. Now again we take another solid. So take by right hand and transfer to left hand. Now fill the base 2 fingers by right hand. This is a rectangular base cuboid. It has also 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 sides are rectangular in shape and 2 sides are square in shape. So it's called a rectangular base cuboid. Now again we place it middle part of the green mat. Now I'm going to take another solid, take by right hand and transfer to left hand. Then fill the base 2 fingers by right hand. Its top and bottom both part is circle, so it's called a cylinder. Now we place it middle part of the green mat. Now again we take another solid from the tray by right hand and transfer to left hand. Maybe its top and bottom both part is narrow and middle side is wide. So it's called an ellipse. Again we place it middle part of the green mat. Now take another solid by right hand and transfer to left hand. Baby, this is a sphere. It is round in shape and it's look like a ball. So it's called a sphere. Now again we place it middle part of the green mat. Now again I'm going to take another solid, take by right hand and transfer to left hand. Now first fill the base 2 fingers by right hand. This is a square base pyramid. Its top part is narrow and bottom part is square. It has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. All sides are triangle in shape. Now we place it middle part of the green mat. Now try it, baby.
Okay. Now I'm going to take another solids and with this solids, top is narrow and bottom is wider and it's look like an A, so we call an oval. And I'm going to keep it here. Now take another solids. This is cone. That's base is circle and top part is narrow. This is triangle base pyramid. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 triangle. Base is also triangle. That's why we call triangle base pyramid. I'm going to keep it here. And this last one, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So 3 are rectangle and 2 are triangle. Okay, so this is called triangle prism. I'm going to keep it here.
Okay, now first we are going to read this name. After that we will place these all base according to solids. Now read with me, baby. This is a cube.
This is a cube.
This is a cuboid.
This is a cuboid.
This is a cylinder.
This is a cylinder.
This is an ellipse.
This is an ellipse.
This is a sphere.
This is a sphere.
This is a square base pyramid.
This is square base pyramid.
This is an oval.
This is an oval.
This is a cone.
This is a cone.
This is a triangle base pyramid.
This is a triangle base pyramid.
And this is a triangle base prism.
This is a triangular prism.
Okay, now we are going to place these base according to solids. So first we put the tray right side of the green mat. Then take any one base, take by right hand and place it bottom part of the green mat. Now press the base 3 fingers by left hand and fill it 2 fingers by right hand. Its base part is wide and its top part is narrow. So this is the base of an oval. So we take the oval by right hand and transfer to left hand. Baby, this is an oval. Its base is wide and top part is narrow. So this one is the right base. We place it over the right base, then drag it and place it bottom part of the green mat. Again, Take another base, take by right hand, place it bottom part of the green mat, press the base 3 fingers by left hand and fill it 2 fingers by right hand. This is base of an ellipse because its top and bottom both part is narrow. So we need the ellipse. Take the ellipse by right hand and transfer to left hand. So baby, this is an ellipse, top and bottom both part is narrow. This one is the right base. So we place it over the base and drag it with 3 fingers and place it beside the an oval. Now again I'm going to take another base from the tray and place it bottom part of the green mat. Now fill the base 2 fingers by right hand. This is a base of sphere. It is a round in shape. So we take this sphere by right hand. Maybe this is a sphere. It is round in shape. So this one is the right base. So we place it on the base. Then drag it with 3 fingers and place it beside the an ellipse. So again we take another base. So take by right hand, place it bottom part of the green mat, press it with 3 fingers and fill it 2 fingers. This is a rectangular base. Now we have two rectangular base solids. One is cuboid and another one is prism. Okay, now we take the cuboid by right hand and transfer to left hand. Now fill the base 2 fingers by right hand. This is a rectangular base cuboid and this is the rectangular base. So we place it over the base and place it beside the sphere. Okay, do you want to try, baby?
Yes, ma'am. Now
Okay.
I'm going to take base. This is in circle in shape. So let's find it circle base. So we have two shapes, two solids which have circle base. So can you guess which one is correct? So I have to put any one because we have already two base. So I just take the cylinder and keep it here on base. Okay, like this. I'm going to take this triangle. Okay, this is in triangle. So let's find it, the triangle. So this base have triangle base and I'm going to keep it on right base here. And this is rectangle. Okay, this base is rectangle. So I'm going to find the correct solids. So this one is correct solids. Look, this are rectangle base. I'm going to keep it on this base here. Okay, so I'm going to take another one. This is also round in shapes. So we have only one left. Which one is spoon? It's basic circle in shapes. I'm going to keep it on this base. I'm going to take another one. This is in square in shape. Okay, so we have two square base. So I'll just take one. It has cube. This base is also square. I'm going to keep it on this base here. Now I'm going to take this last one. This is also square. I'm going to take this because its base is square. This is called square base pyramid. I'm going to keep it on like this.
Okay, very good, baby. Now do you want to read this name, baby?
Okay, ma'am. This is an oval. This is an ellipse. This is a sphere. This is cuboid or rectangle prism. And this is cylinder. This is triangle base pyramid. This is triangular prism. This is cone. This is cube. And this is square base pyramid.
Okay, very good, baby. Now we have completed our lesson geometric solid with base. So tomorrow we will be learn new lesson. Thank you.
Thank you.